Peace begins within your heart. It's been there from the very start. You don't need to search or fight. Just breathe and step into the light. Peace begins within your soul. Let the quiet make you whole. The love you seek was always near. You just learned to hear it clear. So take this breath. Peace begins within.